Adding products one by one takes time, so let us do it in bulk. In this video, you will import and export data using CSV files. A CSV file is a simple spreadsheet you can open in Excel. Use import to add many products at once in a single step. Your file must include a name column for every product. Fill in the other details like price, quantity, and SKU. When you import, duplicates are matched by their SKU code. This means existing items are updated instead of repeated. Choose your CSV file and start the import. GOF POS reads the file and adds your products. After importing, you get a clear report of the results. The report shows how many products were added successfully. It also lists any rows that had errors, so you can fix them. Correct those rows and import again if needed. Exporting is just as easy and very useful. You can export your products to a CSV file anytime. You can also export your customers and your suppliers. Use these exports for backups or for your accountant. Import and export keep your data flexible and safe. In the next video, we will generate barcodes and print labels.